As someone who has worked with thousands of small businesses, many of them which were just recently created and then went about the process of protecting their trademarks, I want to share with you these tips when starting a new business. First, form an LLC or corporation with the state. That gives you some layer of legal protection. It may not be complete, but a layer is better than none. And a lot of people don't realize that the LLC or corporation name doesn't have to match what the overall business or brand name is. It could just be ABC Inc. or XYZ Inc. or Eric Pelton Inc. It doesn't have to match. Second tip, get insurance. I'm a big believer in insurance because it gives you peace of mind, and that's valuable. And of course, it can really protect you in case of traumatic events related to the business. Third, now we're getting to the part of it for my branding passion, is you want to search the name that you're going to use as the core name to identify your business. You want to start out by searching it on your own, right? Make sure that nobody's using a similar name, taking into account spellings, plurals, spacing, that they're not using a similar name in your industry or a related field. Ideally, then you're going to move on and do a comprehensive search working with a trademark attorney. Fourth, you want to apply to register the name as soon as possible once you settle on it. If you don't, you have some exposure while you're building the business, setting up things in the background. If you have not filed with the USPTO, somebody else could come along and start using the name or apply before you, and they could actually usurp your rights to the name because you haven't yet used it and you haven't yet filed for it. So you want to file and file quickly to register with USPTO. Fifth tip is the easiest of all. Buy the corresponding domain name. Buy the .com. Go ahead, buy the .inc or .net or some other top level ones as well. The expense is relatively small. Again, peace of mind knowing that you own it and somebody else doesn't, even if you're not going to use it. As a bonus, register those social media handles that correlate as well. So these are the tips for starting a new business. 5 core things you want to do at the outset. To learn more and go deeper about the trademark searching I was talking about, stay tuned for my next video.